Alright, that's the color we're painting. That's the color I already had. I had her mix up the same color and throw in a boatload of pearl. So I could, pearl it up quite a bit. You can see a lot of pearl in that. Fold it up. But I'm mixing this up. I'm going to dump this in that. And I'll have one whole complete gallon. And then try not to lose this gallon. I don't know what happened to the other damn gallon. I don't know what I did. I think I might have picked it up and shook it, thinking it got hard, when it was a full gallon, and just pitched it. We tore this garage apart. Me and my wife took all the Christmas presents, Christmas stuff down off the back shelves in the back room, and can't find it nowhere. Alright, let me go ahead and mix this, but that's what this isn't enough to paint the bus, but what this will do, I'm going to paint the back, I'm going to turn the bus around, I'm going to paint the front, and then I'll paint the sides outside, because I can get the bus up in here enough to paint the front and paint the back. And then I'll have to go out here and explain it. Some of you guys got dyslexia. Well, you can basically see the plastic. See the plastic? Basically everything from that plastic up to that black stripe is going to be black. So those black stripes are going to be gray. Everything in between the black that's yellow is going to be blue. So I don't want to say I don't have, but I don't have as much blue as you would think. The toolboxes are going to be gray. This whole back is going to be blue. The windows are going to be tinted black. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 windows. I left them over at a tint shop for over a week. They sat there and they sat there and they sat there, and I finally just went over and got them. I told the guy, I said, I'm going to go a different route. Loaded them up, brought them home, and ordered the tint. Got me some 3M tint coming. I'm not going to wait for him. Guy's just a basket case. So anyways, that's the paint situation. I know somebody's going to bitch about my Nason paint. I paint everything with this paint. There ain't nothing wrong with this paint. This paint comes off the same rack. Believe it or not. No, that's the paint I painted my wife's car in 2009. That paint's been sitting there since 2009. I painted her fender. That video's still up. That car's still driving around too. I got all kinds of leftover shit laying around here. Right here. I'm no body shop. Anyways, that's it.